When I was really young, I heard a lot about sex in hot water, like hot tubs and things. Apparently you can't get pregnant in those.
Or like, if you get pregnant and if you eat red food, like red Smarties or red M&Ms, that you'll get a miscarriage. And I heard that as a 9-year-old, and I was like, what?
That you can't have sex with a girl when she's on her period. That was really stupid.
I've been told many times that guys are only out there for one thing. When I was a bit older, I had a friend who was worried that if he allowed his girlfriend to provide him with oral sex, she would get pregnant. I think it's dangerous to label all men like that, and I think it's also dangerous for women to think, you know, if this is what men want, then if I'm going to be in a meaningful relationship, this is what I have to give them.
I didn't know there was like a climax to sex. I thought it was just like, okay, you do it for fun, and then when you stop when it's not fun or kind of thing. I didn't realize there was like a finale.